In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your drone footage on Wix, transforming your aerial captures into a potential income stream. To get started, you need to go to wix.com and log into your account. Make sure you're on the dashboard of the website where you want to sell your products. Once signed in, click on Edit Site to open the website editor. This is where you'll set up your online store to feature and manage your drone footage wisely. A crucial step is ensuring that Wix Stores is installed, as this is essential for selling products, especially digital goods, through your site. Navigate next to your store pages by clicking on Store Pages and then selecting Product Page. This takes you to a dedicated section where you can manage your product listings, essential for organizing your drone footage. Here, click on Manage Products and proceed to add a new item by selecting New Product. Instead of physical, choose digital product to effectively list your footage. Enter details like the product name, such as aerial landscape footage #001. Provide a comprehensive description of the footage, emphasizing aspects like resolution, duration, and licensing options. This transparency helps potential buyers understand exactly what they're purchasing. As you upload your drone video file, ensure it's in a suitable format, with MP4 being highly recommended. For larger files, leveraging cloud hosting resources like Google Drive or Wix Media can be beneficial. It's crucial to enable automatic delivery, ensuring that customers receive the product immediately after purchase. Set a competitive price for your footage and consider offering different licensing options: personal use for non-commercial projects, commercial use for business applications, and exclusive license granting full rights to the footage. Clearly define these options to prevent confusion over usage rights. Head over to the digital product settings to again confirm that automatic delivery is enabled. This guarantees that buyers receive a download link straight to their inbox, offering seamless access post-purchase. Now, let's address payments. Navigate your dashboard to Settings and then Accept Payments. Make sure you enable gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or credit card options, and consider running a test purchase to ensure the checkout process flows smoothly. With everything set up, publish your product to make it visible on your store page. This involves customizing buttons and layout for a more appealing aesthetic that aligns with your brand ethos. Be sure to preview the final presentation to check for professionalism and user-friendliness. All that's left now is to spread the word. Promote your store across social channels like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Employ SEO techniques in your product descriptions and perhaps offer bundled deals or subscription packages for recurring sales. Sharing high-resolution previews can serve as teasers while protecting your primary content. Keep your store fresh by regularly updating with new content to maintain customer interest and engagement. As a final tip, track your performances through Wix Analytics to identify opportunities